Kids and cadets, sorry about yesterday. Had somebody stop. They had been here the day before, and he had wanted me to save a mower for him, but he ended up bringing one and wanted to know if I could fix it. He said his nephew gave it to him. He said it ran. He kept pulling on it. Nothing happened. Tank's empty. And this guy said there was something wrong with the front wheel drive. So I got to look at this wheel. I told him I'd look at it and see if I could fix it. No guarantee, so he's going to come in a week. So Honda GCV, what year is this one? 2014, so I'll see if I can fix this thing up. But back to this Troy-Bilt. This is a 2003. Got this from the 7-Eleven scrapper along with the Honda. This Honda started, but the rear wheels aren't fully engaging. So this 21-inch 675 Briggs has seen a lot of use. We had looked under this one yesterday and it was full of grass. The filter's not that bad. The original Briggs 491 588 Sam. So I'll leave that there. I'm gonna gas it. Mr. Monster's gonna keep an eye on things. So I got a lot of work to do. These two turds for 40 from yesterday, and then this new Honda that showed up. So there's got to be a battery if this thing's got this electric start. I think it should, but I don't see any battery. Where's the battery? I don't see any holes in the deck where there was a battery box. Oh, we're leaking. It's a leaker. Okay, so we got a float issue or something because it's pouring out of this priming bulb. That's all wet there. That's not the bowl. It's leaking right through the throat. Okay. Well, that's given us a good chance of fire. Let me try starting it. Okay, what do we got to do? Oh, wow. Is this like spring loaded? Oh, that's crazy. Feels like it's got compression. It's still leaking. I figured with all that fresh gas in the throat, it was gonna pull some of it in and ignite it. No such luck. Should we look at the plug? See if the plug's wet, or try juicing it. I need some feedback on this system. If this thing is spring loaded or battery powered or what. I see plenty of wet gas in the throat, so this thing should kick off. I'm going to tap the bowl. Okay, that slowed it down. Primer's pushing. Okay. Outside of the plug looks like it's not too old. I don't want to test plug with all that gas vapor nearby. I don't know. What do we got with this thing? What do we got? We're not having luck with this big turd. I'd really like to check spark, but Fire Marshal Bill is ruling against me. We're not getting anything. Oh, it removes. That's weird. Is this like a kid-proof thing in 2003? Put that orange key under your pillow. Prevent kids from using the mower. Most of that gas is gone. I'm going to take a gamble. I'm going to clip the bail bar and see if we got spark. If it catches on fire, I'll run. I can smell the plugs wet. Okay. No spark. No, we got spark now. I just had to pull it a couple more times. So what's the issue then? If we've got spark, sure got plenty of gas here. I don't know, pulling over like it has compression. What do you guys think? I'm gonna get a couple of Phillips and just take the beauty cover off. Why are we not at least getting a fire off with all this gasoline vapor here? I couldn't do a job like that with my little carb cleaner spray. Okay, springs in place. We had spark. Appears to have oil. Still dripping gasoline. I'll have to disassemble this thing and see what the story is. Is it something with this? I don't know. You guys comment below what I should do with the Troy-Bilt. I'm going to move on to the Honda with the wonky front wheel. I told this guy to give me a week and I'd give him an answer. He said if I needed new parts, he would buy them. I told him whatever it needs, I'll buy, and just give him the bill. Okay, wasting a lot of gas here. What do you guys think? Have a good day. I'm going to keep plowing ahead. So semi-failure on the 2 for 40. This Honda is going to bring me the money. It fired off. There was no gas in the tank. I just got to look at the rear wheel drive. Maybe it just needs a cable adjustment. Tip you waitress and wait staff. Adios amigos. Thanks for coming out.